Hi students, welcome back to our online biology class. How was your weekend? Hope you are doing well and doing your work properly. Today we will learn about the myelin sheath. Last day we discussed about the myelin sheath and now we will learn balance of myelin sheath. Myelin sheath means it is a shiny white colored layer which surrounds the axon. Once again, myelin sheath means it is a shiny white colored layer which surrounds the axon. Here in the board I have written three words: Schwann cells, oligodendrocyte and nerve. Once again, Schwann cells, oligodendrocyte, and this is a nerve. So what do you mean by Schwann cells? Schwann cells are specialized cells which encircle the axon. The myelin sheath in the nerve cells is formed of Schwann cells. Look at the video. You can see more clearly about the Schwann cells. It is a specialized cell which surrounds the axon. And it is these cells helps to form the myelin sheath. Second one is the oligodendrocyte. Oligodendrocyte means it is a specialized cell which is seen both in the brain and the spinal cord to form the myelin sheath. Once again, it is a specialized cells which is seen both in the brain and the spinal cord to form the myelin sheath. These oligodendrocyte covers the different axons simultaneously or by covering the different parts of the same axons repeatedly. Oligodendrocyte means it is a specialized cell which is seen both in the brain and the spinal cord to form a myelin sheath. And these oligodendrocyte, it covers the axon simultaneously or by covering different parts of the axons repeatedly. Got it? So third one is the nerve. Nerve means group of axons are called the nerve. In the myelin sheath we can see the nerve cells. Myelin sheaths consist of, that means in the brain and the spinal cord there contains white matter and grey matter. White matter and grey matter. White matter and grey matter. White matter and grey matter means if myelinated nerve cells are present in the brain and spinal cord, it is called the white matter. If myelinated nerve cells are not present, that means non-myelinated nerves are called the grey matter. Our next topic is generation and transmission of impulses. Here we will learn how the transmission takes place in the axon. Before that, we can recall how the transmission takes place through the neuron. That means the impulses from the dendrites reaches the dendron, then to the cell body, from the cell body to the axon, and these impulses reaches the axonite. From the axonite, these impulses reaches the synaptic node. When the impulses reaches the synaptic node, they secrete a chemical substances called neurotransmitter, and these impulses moves towards the adjacent neuron, then it reaches the brain. This is the transmission of impulses towards the neuron. And now we will learn the structure of the axon. Like all other cell, axon also covered by plasma membrane. Here, the cytoplasm is seen inside and intracellular fluids are seen outside. Cytoplasm is seen inside and intracellular fluid is seen outside. The axon contains two charges, positive and negative charge. Positive charge is seen outside and negative charge is seen inside. Below also we can see same thing. What happens is when the impulses reaches the axon, the charges will be changed. Just look at here. When the impulses, I've told you that positive charge is seen outside and negative charge is seen inside. Positive charge is seen outside and negative charges are seen inside. When the impulses reaches the axon, what we have told, the charges changed. That means positive charge changes to negative charge and negative charge changes to positive charge. This way. And when these impulses move towards the adjacent neuron, what happens? What happens then? Here also the charge will be changed. It will be changed to negative charge and here positive charge, here positive and here negative. And what happened to the earlier previous charge? The charges regain its original position. That means it becomes positive charge here and negative charge here. Negative charge here, positive charge. This way. When the impulses moves towards the axon, the charges regain its original position. And when these impulses reaches the axon, what will happen? The charges will be changed. The positive charge changes to negative charge and negative charge changes to positive charge. And when these impulses, electric impulses, reaches the synaptic node, they secretes a chemical substances called neurotransmitter. And these neurotransmitter helps to send the message to the adjacent neuron. Then these messages reaches the brain and it is the brain which gives the response. How to respond. Got it? Okay, watch the video.
Plasma membrane covers the receptor cells. Cytoplasm is seen inside the plasma membrane and intracellular fluid is seen outside the plasma membrane. Plasma membrane has positive charge outside and negative charge inside in the cytoplasm. When a stimulus acts on the plasma membrane, its outside becomes negatively charged and inside becomes positively charged. As this is for a short period, it regains its original state. But the change in the charges moves along the plasma membrane. This is known as the impulse. Impulses are transmitted along the neurons.